Hey everybody, Happy New Year's Eve. I just wanted to do a quick little video. I was thinking about this. I shared my new meal plan with some of my Insanity students, as well as on Facebook, my followers and everybody, to just show this is what my new meal plan is. Every time I start a new program, I always want to share one so everyone get a heads up, because sometimes going through the nutrition plan, nutrition guide can be overwhelming when it's something brand new and you're not really sure how to combine everything. So this time around, I actually dropped myself down to a lower bracket. Usually I do the higher bracket that gets you probably between like 1,700 calories or whatnot. I did that mainly before. I was heavier before, so I met the weight requirement of being over 150 pounds, but then also knowing that I work out a lot of times twice a day. So I do my own personal workout and push to my max, as well as teaching an Insanity class, where I don't go all the way to my max, but I'm still having to go full out and show my students exactly how in the end it's supposed to look like, as well as motivating and just moving around, just being active and the energy and being able to push it out and have it be contagious with everybody else. It uses a lot of energy. So, but I've sort of been hitting a little bit of a plateau. So I wanted to sort of shock my system, I guess. And so I put myself down to the first bracket, the lower bracket of I think it's around 1,400 calories. But also, depending on the day, depending how I feel, if I'm starting to feel a little weak or a little shaky or whatnot, then I will obviously allow myself to have an extra snack or something so I don't I don't do more damage to myself. But before Beachbody and everything, I would have never even gotten up to 1,400 calories, let alone 1,700 or 1,800 calories, and I was working out 1-2 hours a day. I was probably at 1,000, maybe even under sometimes. It was not a lot of food, and I was working out and killing myself. But pretty much I was in that starvation mode, and and my coach the other day had a really great little comment that you are, I want to get it really perfect. You're eating your muscles and not fat. So you might see that yourself is getting skinnier, or the scale is getting less, but you're really not losing the fat that you want. You're just killing and eating away at your muscles. I know another thing that Sagi Kalev always says is to remember, the three things is that when you're working out, you're tearing your muscles, but that you need to feed your muscles by obviously eating in the kitchen with your food, and then you need rest in there, and you build your muscles and repair them in bed. So those are the three things that I just really found key, and that just sparked something in my head, to start the new year, is that you need to change the idea of food, that it is for fuel. It's not always going to be fun. It's not always going to be something that you want to eat. Sorry, for some reason my son wants a marshmallow, so he gets one. Here you go. So yes, food is fuel. Abs are made in the kitchen. Your muscles are fed in the kitchen to keep you going. Do you need rest? Absolutely. Rest is how you repair your body and build the muscles to get stronger, and then also to show the tone. So you also just need to, have fun with it as well. Find that program that you love, that every day you're willing to get up and press play. Even on the days where you're like today it's rainy and sort of crappy, but I'm still going to press play because I'm excited to see how I can do better each and every time. So I hope you all have a great and safe New Year's Eve, an amazing start to the new year, 2015, and I will talk to you all next year. Bye, guys.